everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can create splash screen in Android Studio. So first what we have to do is we have to go ahead and create a new project. Select empty activity, click next. You can name your application as per your choice. Go ahead and click this one, click on finish. Now this required library you can keep it according to you. So this is how the screen will look after you create the project. So go ahead and create a new empty activity. So empty activity, and name this activity as splash activity. Alright, now go ahead and click on finish. Let's just wait for the Gradle sync. So after the Gradle sync is complete, go to activity splash, and first let's just get rid of this constraint layout and change this layout to relative layout. Okay, now the very first thing which we need is the image view, so that we can put the icon over there. So we'll import the image view and put the source as I've imported a YouTube icon, so you can also do that. So change this to 120 dp and this as well to 120 dp. Now come to the design part over here. Now we have to put it in the center. So provide it with an attribute layout. Center in parent, center layout, center in parent, and put this as a true, so we can see that our icon has been came in the center of the screen. Now we have already given the source. So this was it for creating the icon. Now going for the text view. So text view will be the wrap content. Now provide the text. So you can this is completely your choice. You can make it or not. All let's result just for the looking good, and keep the center in parent as true, and align bottom. We have to put it below the logo, or maybe at the down to look it good. So we can give it an align parent bottom. Keep this as a true as well, and give us some padding from the down. So let's give it 20 dp and put it encode it. So we can see that this screen is looking kind of good. So now let's just go to the splash activity.java and let's use a thread show the splash screen. So we'll use the handler in this one. So new handler, then post delayed dot post delayed, and we'll pass a new runnable here. So you can see that it has been created. Now just provide this here, and why is it showing error? So this run method will be executed once the splash screen is over. So we'll provide the intent I equals to new intent, and we are on the splash activity. So dot this, and we'll send the user to main activity dot class. Alright, and we'll start the activity. We'll pass the intent, and we'll do the finish part. So we are done with this splash activity. Why is it showing me the error? Place with lambda. Okay, so we have to give the time as well. So now here you have to give 5000 because it is considered as 1000 here because of milliseconds. Obviously 1 second is 1000 milliseconds, it is considered as here. So give 5000 for 5 seconds. I'll keep it for 3000 because I want a 3 seconds delay, no confusion. So this was about the splash activity. Now coming back to the Android manifest.xml and copy this intent filter. Since this was a launcher activity, so keep the splash activity as the launcher activity and keep this as the default. Okay, so we are good to go. Now run the app. Okay, one thing here, you have to put the splash activity, so make sure that you give the theme here. Wait. Give the theme as theme dot app compact dot no action bar. No action bar. This theme, why is it showing me error? So we can put this one, theme dot app compact dot no action bar. Now just go ahead and run the app, run our app. So our app is successfully running. I'll put the video at the end, I mean the screen recording at the end of this video. Okay, thank you for watching the video.